Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol SPY. This is the S&P 500 ETF. Got the 15-minute time frame pulled up here. You see a lot of selling here in pre-market. You can see that this thing last closed around 469 during regular trading hours on Wednesday, and now this thing is down under 462. So a lot of selling pressure here. Reading some stories about a possible new coronavirus strain out of Africa. So it's looking like investors might be a little rattled here. Futures tanked overnight, and you can definitely see that reflected here with the S&P 500. So yeah, I think it was kind of trading within a range most of this time frame here, and then this huge move down here. So we've got some crazy market maker candle sticking out here, a massive wick sticking way up to that 469 level. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see this thing was uptrending, had a nice little pullback, started to uptrend again, and then that's where it ran into some trouble here around 474 or so. And it had a pretty good pullback, rallied up a bit to 470, and then this big move down here overnight and into pre-market today. Let's check out the daily chart. See on the daily chart that's still uptrending overall on this larger time frame. You can see the price is dipping below the 21-day EMA quite a bit here on this chart, so it's not quite respecting that 21. Let's check out the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, you get a little bit of a better idea how this thing treats the 21-day exponential moving average. Zoom in a little bit here. You can see it really makes these runs, pulls back to it, bounces off of it, pulls back to it, is able to pull back to it and keep bouncing off of it most of this time frame. You can see right here in September where we had a pretty good little sell-off that came in. You've got several wicks sticking out, actually 4 wicks sticking out. So 4 weeks here really rejecting that 21-day exponential moving average. So I would think, if the selling pressure that we have right now in the markets today continues, that this thing is going to pull back to this 21-day EMA on this time frame, and that'll be a very key point to look at. If it can again start to reject the 21-day EMA on this time frame, and I think things are going to be fine, and this thing is going to start really to rip again. I think where we might see a problem is if it really falls below that 21. You see in 2018, remember we had a pretty good little drawdown in the markets. It wasn't like a huge crash, but it was a pretty significant drawdown we had there. And then this was the coronavirus crash of 2020. You can see how far this thing bled through the 21-day EMA on the weekly. I think this weekly time frame is definitely a very good indicator of volatility for the markets in general and the S&P 500, because when we make big moves away from the 21-day EMA to the downside, you really know that we've got something significant going on. As you can see here in 2018, a pretty good move away from that, but then geez, with the corona crash, and that was such a significant drawdown there. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker SPY or the S&P 500 ETF. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.